This model kit review is of the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor 1/25th scale model, and it is by Revell, and it only has 18 parts. This is the easy click system, so they're very simple models to build. They do have already the colors in there. You've got water slide decals. No painting is really required. This would, ironically, I would say level 1, but they're calling it level 2 here. I guess level 1 is that you need, or that you can play with it, and it's probably not this one. So here's a picture of the finished model. Some more pictures there, and optional painting there with those colors. So let's have a look inside. And when I bought this, I didn't realize that it was the easy click system. It was so easy. I didn't realize how simple it was. So let's have a look. Here is our body. Let's open that up and have a look. And we've got our main body here, molded in this blue color. It's a little shiny for the plastic. It has this black trim here, little wheel arches molded on the outside. I don't know if those are painted or just molded that way. Probably molded that way because you can see the black showing through there. Here's our glass with the pre-painted black surround. We've got some very stiff tires made out of vinyl. Let's have a look at all these parts here. So it looks like that's for our headlights. The silver already attached. That's the tail with the side lights there. We've got some, these are steering column, steering wheel there, and side mirrors. And then here is the dashboard. Let's have a look at these pieces here. And we've got the cabin and truck bed. That's already molded there with the seats inside. Unfortunately, door cards on the side. Here are our wheels on their axles. Very kind of simple looking. And then there is the it's 2015, which is fascinating because this is for the 2017 Raptor, so this is made before the car even came out. There is the underside, and there's the copyright logo again from China. So let's have a look at the decals and stickers here. So we have two options there. Those are very nice, actually, those decals. There are the sticker versions. Probably never going to use those. Let's have a look at our instructions here. So some details there on that truck. And colors recommended there. That's the part listing there. We start off with putting the parts inside the front of the car. I guess that's the engine scoop there, headlights and front grille, glass goes in, then the rear pieces go on there. Starting to build the interior. We've got the dashboard and steering wheel that's mounted inside the cabin, and show you how to put the decals on the seats there, and then mount that inside the truck. Got the wheels going onto the tires, or other way around, mounting that on there and clicking them in place, and then finally mounting the truck body on the chassis. So it shows you here decals or stickers, whichever one you want to do. and there's the front and back. So all in all, it's a very simple kit. Great kit for beginners. They do provide decals for people if they want to do them, and if you want to paint it, go ahead.